What's up mga ka-tripulant? It's me, Kap Miko once again. Ang topic naman natin ngayon ay time management, kung saan pag-uusapan natin kung paano magagamit ng tama ang ating mga oras at kung ano-anong mga bagay ang dapat natin paglaanan nito. Unang-una, use your time in order to look better. Mag-allocate po tayo ng oras para tayo ay makapag-exercise or makapag-gym. And also, use your time in order to feel better. Pwede po tayong mag-meditate. Pwede po tayong mag-create ng anumang hobbies o libangan kung saan magagamit natin ng maayos ang ating mga oras. You can also use your time in order to make more money that can improve your well-being, your network, as well as your education. And remember mga ka-tripulants, you will always know how much money you have, but you will never know how much time you have. So spend your time with those people who value you. So let us always use our precious time to the people that we love. So ayan po mga ka-tripulants. Again, this is Kap Miko. Safe seas and God bless always. Peace.